Good day, doctors. I am Dania Marie Digumoni, a doctor to the barrio currently assigned at Ramon Magsaysay sa Module Sur. And I'm currently taking up my Master in Public Management, Health Governance track at Ateneo School of Government. So, as part of our requirement, we are tasked to produce a governance innovation report, and mine is all about optimizing supervision of BHWs, exploring gaps and capacity needs of barangay health worker coordinators. So why BHW coordinators? No, despite the presence of existing national policies such as the RA 783, the DILG-DOH Joint Memorandum Circular of 2000 number 2023-001 on the retention of BHWs, and the presence of the DOH BHW reference manual, there remains variability in how supervision is implemented across LGUs, and in many settings, the role of BHW coordinators po is not clearly defined or formally institutionalized, yet they function as a critical link between the RHU and barangay level health workers, supporting supervision, coordination, program implementation, and also linking the BHWs and the program itself to CHD or regional level and national level. So, as municipal health officers and key member of local health board, your perspective is essential in understanding how these roles are operationalized, how supervision is conducted, and what governance gaps exist at the local level po. So, your insights are vital po talaga in strengthening accountability, clarifying roles, and improving support mechanisms for our community health workers or BHW. So the findings of this study aim to inform evidence-based recommendations that may guide policymakers, program managers, decision makers in enhancing the BHW program, and ultimately to develop a supervisory framework in and aligning it with the goals of the universal health care under Republic Act number 11223. So I humbly invite you for your participation in this study, and I apologize for the time constraint as I am given with little time for my data collection, but I'm hoping for your kind consideration and cooperation in the completion of my study. So thank you so much, and God bless.